Welcome dear friends, this is mock test 1 of SST IT which will be conducted by KPPSC. Choose the lettered word that is most nearly opposite in meaning to the word in capitals. Transparent, opaque. Choose the word most similar in meaning to the capitalized one. Meticulous, thorough. Choose the correct word. Please bring your dash to the lab. Option B. Stationary. Choose the correct preposition. This output is identical dash the sample to the sample. Choose the correct option. One of the files dash missing. यहाँ पर चूंकि सब्जेक्ट के लिए वन आया है और वन सिंगुलर है तो इसी वजह से जो वर्ब आएगा वो भी सिंगुलर आएगा. चूज द करेक्ट फॉर्म. इफ द सिस्टम क्रैशेज अगेन वी डैश द लॉग्स. वी विल एनालाइज द लॉग्स. चूज द करेक्टली पंक्चुएटेड सेंटेंस. However, comma, the update failed, semicolon. Therefore, comma, we restored the backup. लफ्ज़ मुस्तैद के माने है तैयार. शफाफ की जिद है कदर आलूद. मुहावरा चार चांद लगाना का मतलब है खूबसूरती बढ़ाना. वाहिद गायब की मिसाल है वह. द हाईएस्ट पीक इन पाकिस्तान इज K2. Pakistan rejoined the Commonwealth in 1989. The first month of the Islamic Hijri calendar is Muharram. The Quran consists of how many surahs? 114. The largest freshwater lake of Pakistan is generally known as Manchar Lake. Andragogy refers to adult learning. In the CIPP evaluation model, P stands for process. CIPP stands for context, input, process and product, which device forwards packets using IP addresses. Router. Convert 101101 to the base 2 to decimal. 45. यहाँ पर एक बाइनरी नंबर को डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट किया गया है. BIOS UEFI firmware is typically stored in RAM or flash memory. Paging primarily removes the need for contiguous memory allocation. Which protocol maps an IP address to a MAC address on a LAN IPv4? ARP, Address Resolution Protocol. In a relational database, the key that uniquely identifies each record is primary key. Which SQL class filters results after group by? Having. In OOP, object-oriented programming, bundling data and methods together is called encapsulation. Recursion is most directly supported by which data structure? Stack. Time complexity of linear search is O of n. Single line command in C++ begins with double forward slashes, which is not a private IPv4 range 11.0.0.0/8. It is a public IPv4 range, while the remaining are private IPv4 ranges. Which RAID RAID level provides stripping with parity? RAID 5. A web cookie is primarily stored on the client browser. Phishing is best defined as tricking users to reveal credentials, which is an example of two-factor authentication, 2FA, password plus SMS and OTP code. In Python, which function returns the number of items in a list? Len parenthesis. In Excel, which symbol takes a cell reference absolute? $. First normal form 1NF primarily requires atomic or indivisible values. MAC addressing belongs to which OSI layer? Data link. Which is an example of IAA is infrastructure as a service. Amazon EC2 virtual servers. In SDLC, requirements are gathered mainly during requirement analysis. A 2-input AND gate outputs 1 when both inputs are 1. Hexadecimal digits behind 9 are from A till F. HTTPS mainly uses dash to encrypt data in transit. TLS SSL. Zip compression is an example of lossless compression. Throughput is best described as actual rate of successful data delivery. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.